Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and good morning once again. It's like 7:30 in the morning and I got up at 6:30. So yeah, it's 7:30 in the morning, 7:26 to be more precise. So I got up at 6:30. I had to go to gym, but it's Sunday and there is nobody home. Yeah, 6:30 and nobody's home. I had to cancel my plans and I will probably go at 9 when everybody is back from their workout, games, exercise, walk and everything. Okay, let's get started with today's video. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. I have been really struggling to lose weight since a really long time. I have been constantly gaining weight. I have hypothyroidism and migraine, which means that hypothyroidism will make me gain lots of weight, and with migraine, like I cannot stay hungry for the tiniest amount of time because hunger just triggers my migraine. So I was really struggling to lose weight from the longest amount of time, and because being obese or having weight higher than your BMI is not good, and a lot of people are struggling out there to get in shape, to get in that BMI, at least be on the higher level, not to be the perfect one. Forget about losing weight. The biggest problem for me was even maintaining it, was just maintaining that weight. So I was gaining weight every single day. At the point when I tried to lose my weight, I was 67 already. So my height is 5'3" and I'm 67 kgs, which means I am way too much than what I should be. I should ideally be 60 kgs, which is even overweight, but if I am 60, it's just fine. But 67 is way too much. I realized it really hard way that there are no shortcuts to losing weight. I know people can stay hungry, like they can go on diet, but that doesn't mean that you have to stay hungry and don't eat things. So and for me, I cannot stay hungry because I cannot eat less food because I get migraine if I eat less. So the biggest problem for me was to keep in mind that I have migraine which get triggered due to hunger, and I have hypothyroidism which will obviously not help in losing weight. So this is the one regime that I came up with and has helped really a lot to me. This is something that really helped me, and I really wanted to share this thing with you guys because I lost 1 kg in 1 week, which is awesome, and if I go on with that pace I would probably lose more. So I'm really happy. So not already, but yeah, it makes me happy that yes, I'm doing something for myself. And yes, you have to lose weight not for your friends, not for your family, but you have to lose weight for yourself, and that you should always keep in mind to stay motivated whenever you're trying to lose weight. So there are just 4 things that I did and helped me in losing 1 kg in 1 week, and I hope this will help you guys as well. So let's get started with what all I did.
Number 1.
First thing that you need is determination. Lots and lots of a lot of time I failed because I was not strong enough to sustain the regime. It was like if I did not go to the gym or if I did not go for a brisk walk one day, it meant I am not going to go the days after it. But this time I was way too determined that I have to do something for myself, otherwise I am going to just blast. So I was really determined that I have to lose weight just for myself and not for anybody else, because being fat is not good for myself. I have like half of my health problems, I guess, is because of my weight. So the first point is to be determined and not to lose hope. Eventually you will lose weight because things doesn't happen in a day. You didn't gain those kgs. You did not gain those kgs in like one single day. I know it took time, so it will take time to get off it. So yeah, the first thing is to be determined.
Number 2.
Second point is to exercise regularly. Even if you can exercise for 20 minutes is more than enough. This will help you sustain that weight and not gain at least. And if you can go beyond it, like 30 minutes of brisk walking or 30 minutes of rigorous exercise, it's so good for you. You will feel fresh all day. You will see the results. Like seriously, you will see the results. So brisk walking for 30 minutes is a must if you are trying to lose weight. And if you are trying to maintain your weight, you need at least 20 minutes of walking or yoga or meditation or whatever you feel like, but go for it. You need it, and without it nothing would work. Like trust me, I कहते हैं ना भुक्त भोगी है, so I am that one, and nothing is going to work if you are not working out, if you're not using up the calories that you're eating. So you need to use up, and obviously our lifestyle is something like we do not work out, we do not walk that much nowadays, we do not tend to use up our energy. So the only way is to brisk walk at least 30 minutes every day, maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening, whatever suits. If you cannot go for, like if you find walking boring or going to gym boring, go and play something. You can play tennis or table tennis, or even go for dance if you like that, but do something.
Number 3,
you have to count your calories for sure. If you are trying to lose weight, you just cannot eat anything, or you just cannot stay hungry. So when you're working out or you're using up your calories, you need to take even more so that there is a balance. So there is this app called Healthify Me. I have already done a demo kind of a thing for it. I'll link that in the description box for you guys to check out. That app is amazing. If you're somebody who's trying to lose weight and you want to count your calories, and if you're an Indian, because you know Indian food have different calories, like it's not quite healthy. So if you're trying to lose weight, try that app. It has every single food listed there, and with the weight or with the amount of servings that you are having, it tells you how much calories you have. So before eating, you can actually go and check whether I should eat a particular thing or not. And they also have divided your entire day calorific needs into 4 categories. So for each meal, you can go ahead and check whether you should have that particular thing in that particular meal or not. And it has helped me a lot, because previously I was just trying to eat less. This has helped me to eat right. So if I want to eat a rasgulla, for example, I can check how many calories it has, and I can check how much I've already taken and how much of the rasgulla I can have. So I'm not killing my desires by not eating it, but I can check and see how much I can eat. So this has helped me a lot. And in fact, I got a 7-day free trial from Healthify Me, where I tried, they gave me one expert, so I chose a dietitian for that, and she has helped me a lot in choosing and knowing what should I take in and what should I not, she has actually worked out the entire meal plan for me. And obviously when I am living in a joint family, and cooking different food from what others are eating is difficult, because you have to cook the meal for other people and then for yourself. So I try to eat within what everybody is eating and also not killing my desires. So Healthify Me is a must-have application if you are trying to lose weight. Along with it, you should have a Google Fit, or if you have a Fitbit kind of a thing, or I think Apple has health sort of an app where it counts the amount of calories you are burning every single day by walking or by running or by dancing or whatever it is. It just captures everything, and it syncs with Healthify Me. So these 2 apps are a must-have if you are trying to lose weight. Healthify Me and Google Fit. And if you guys want a detailed description about how these works, go and check out my Healthify Me app demo video. That will help you a lot.
Number 4,
drink plenty of water. I cannot stress more on this. I feel my body bloated just because I was not having right amount of water. At least 2 liters of water is necessary. According to the Healthify Me app, they specify like you need to have at least 8 glasses of water every single day. So which means a glass is 250 ml, and that means that you need to have at least 2 bottles, like 2 liters of water every single day. So I'm trying to drink that much of water, and it has helped me a lot. Skin has started glowing even more because I am having that much amount of water. And I drink from this bottle. SJ Loves Jewelry stresses on drinking from these kind of bottle, because you know how much water is going inside you. I like to drink from these bottle is because I know this is just mine, nobody else is going to touch it. So I have to finish this water. The reason is for using these bottles is just that, like, we have Tupperware bottles, but I am drinking from it. I just kept it. Somebody else came and they drank from that, but nobody is going to touch my bottle, and this is what I have to drink. And not just drinking water will help. Try not to drink extremely cold water. I try to drink normal water, like water at room temperature. So that will, everybody says drink warm water, drink warm water. That is something that you cannot sustain, obviously. So drink water at normal temperature, normal room temperature. That will help you a lot. And yeah, last, take a good 7-hour sound sleep. That is really necessary, because if you do not feel fresh while you wake up, you will not have that urge to go out and work out and exercise. You have to feel fresh in the first place to actually make yourself motivated enough and to do all those things. So 7 hours of sound sleep is really important. If you cannot sleep like through the night for complete 7 hours, take a 1-hour nap in the afternoon if you can, but try to sleep as much as possible. I know I was a software engineer earlier, and I know how difficult it is to maintain that healthy lifestyle, to get up at 7 in the morning and sleep at 10 in the night, because we have shifts. I know that. I have been in shift. I slept at 12 in the night, 2 in the night because of the shifts, but we have to do it. When whatever time you sleep, try to complete your 7-hour sound sleep, 8-hour sound sleep if you can, and that is going to help you a lot. So that was all that I was doing. There was nothing like secret that I was doing. There was nothing specific food that I was eating. It's just generally what everybody is doing. But this Healthify Me app is really going to help you. If trust me guys, just try it out if you are trying to lose weight, because it will help you count your calories. And you can also go for their plans. They have like two $12.99 plans, $7.99 plans, where they give you coaches who can direct you for your exercise routine, for your diet routine and everything. So yeah, that was all for how I lost 1 kg in 1 week. And if this video was really helpful to you guys, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Do let me know if you try this out by commenting down below, and if it helped you. And I shall see you next time. Take care. Bye.